plan gets cancelled at the last moment, then I don't like it. But then they've said, make this business meeting a personal meeting. Let's have lunch together. And I said, yes.
Shaurya thinks that his elder brother is against him now.
You stay away from Durga.
All I want is, whatever you do, keep in mind the boundaries of relations.
Durga, I shall leave now.
Why, Dev?
I have some work. Anyway, Shaurya is here, so you guys talk. Okay? Take care of her.
Of course, brother. Your wish is my command.
Not fair, Dev. This is nice. You two brothers decided on my behalf what I want to do. And anyways, if you go away like that, then you will disrespect the food and me. You will have to wait. Dev, please wait.
Say no and leave.
I am becoming friends with Durga. I shouldn't make her feel bad. Okay, as you say.
Thank you.
Please sit.
Your wish is my command.
Oh, I don't believe this. You two brothers are so different. On one hand, Shaurya who talks a lot, and Dev, you, completely opposite. Serious, calm. You tell me, Shaurya, your brother is like that, or is he pretending to be like that? Knowing that girls like guys who are serious?
No, Durga. Nothing like that. I am what I am. I am like this with everyone. Basically, I am an open book.
That's nice. Now close your book and focus on eating. It's getting cold.
Sure.
Shaurya, do you want to order anything?
I'll have from Dev's plate.
Yeah, sure.
I'm so sorry, brother. I'm so sorry, man.
Well done, Shaurya. This is what I had expected from you.
Sorry.
It's okay, Shaurya. It's okay. Guys, I'll be right back.
Excuse me. Could you please clean this?
Now it is time to end this date and to leave Shaurya withering in pain. Oh God, Shaurya. I'm really sorry. Shaurya, I forgot. I had got a message. Dev, I forgot to tell you. Dad has fixed a meeting with his friend Dr. Prabhakar. He's working a lot for the cancer project.
Okay.
We will have to go to meet him. But there's a problem. He stays really far. But we will have to go in the evening.
Yeah, sure. We'll go.
Thank you so much, Dev. We will continue this lunch date some other time. I'll leave.
I'll drop you downstairs.
Bye, Shaurya.
Bye, Durga. See you soon.
Okay.
Shall we? I'll be back, bro.
Sure. Only 23 hours left, Dad. Tick tock, tick tock.
I'm spinning the magical stick, son. Very soon you'll get a permanent solution to this, son. Very soon. What are you looking at, Sakshi? Whatever you have in mind, ask me.
What can I say? I can see the entire story written on your face. You tell me. What is going on between Shaurya and you?
Okay, then you take care.
You take care too. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, how did this happen? How did the tire get punctured?
But you tell me, where were you when the tires were getting punctured? I will
We
complain.
should complain to the restaurant. What nonsense is this?
The tires punctured.
Hey, Durga. Durga, even my car tires are punctured.
How is it possible? Even my car's tire is punctured.
What? Listen, you are the security guard here, right?
Yes.
Who punctured the tires of all the cars?
Sir, I don't know how that happened.
Hey, what do you mean you don't
Sir,
know?
I don't know. What happened, Dave?
I don't know. Someone punctured the tires of all our cars.
Huh?
Even mine. Even my car.
Looks like this is some serial killer's job. He punctured the tires of all the cars.
Oh God, Shaurya. You are still joking?
Sorry. Hey! Who did this?
Sir, I don't know how this happened.
What do you mean by you don't know? Go and call your manager. Come on. You know what? I'll check my car as well. I parked it further away. I could have been lucky. Hey, guess what? Serial killer didn't touch my car at all. All tires are fine.
I'm asking, what is this?
I am puncturing the tires. Will you?
What are you saying, sir?
Do it. I'll give you money.
No, sir. I'll lose my job.
Here. Much more than your salary. And if you lose your job, come and meet me. Do you get it? Now take this. Puncture all the tires of all the cars, except that one. That is my car. Do you get it? All the best.
I should have known this. You will never change, Shaurya.
Thank God my car is safe. At least some good came out of parking my car away.
Shaurya, you do one thing. You drop Durga home.
Your wish is my command. I'll get my car. Durga, shall we?
Bye, Dev.
Bye, Durga.
See you, brother. And if I get a mechanic on my way, I'll send him.
You didn't have to do all this, Shaurya. I am not at all interested in coming between you and Durga. What you want from me and what I want is very different. I will not come in your way as long as you don't come in my way.
I get him out of one problem and your son got into another.
Poor father. First, he would only be scared from his wife. And now, he's scared of his son too. But why? What is it that Shaurya knows about you? That you're scared of him?